I actually wish I could keep on working and feel like I was a young guy yet. I enjoyed working. I really did.
The County Materials family of companies is grateful for our many hardworking team members, especially the individuals who are dedicated to growing and building long-term careers with us. Our people are the key to our success, and we are proud to share their stories.
So my name is Wayne King, and I started in summer of 1974, and started as a block machine operator, and eventually worked my way up into a dump truck and loader operator, and teaching young kids drive-alongs and teaching the proper way to do stuff safety-wise. Previous to coming here for one summer, I worked on a road crew with caterpillars and earth movers and backhoes and stuff like that. So I always knew I wanted to run equipment like that. I'm fortunate. I've drove 1.5 million miles without an accident and without a ticket, okay, over a 40+ year span of the driving end of it. And I consider myself pretty lucky. I was proud to work at a place that I've always been able to work at, and if you end up working 49 years and 5 months, you must have been happy with the company. I never worked a day where I didn't want to come to work. I see a lot of projects that I can point out that we were involved in. And we also see how much county does for local communities, whether it be right here in town or out of town. They're always involved with something going on. They're quite generous in the local area, and I know even out of the area, I know some of the projects that have been done. So they're always giving back. We are county, I think of a large company that looks out for their employees, has good benefits, and tries to provide a good living for people. If I had to say anything to county, for me myself, is I actually wish I could keep on working and feel like I was a young guy yet. I enjoyed working. I really did.
We honor the team members who grow alongside us and represent the best of our company. Together, we're building a company that hardworking people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.